In today's video, we are going to be doing something super fun, kind of different. I am going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. As you can see, I am not wearing any makeup, and that's because we're gonna film it live, no cuts, 5-minute makeup challenge. We thought this would be kind of fun because we know everyone is at home right now, and we wanted to kind of just change it up. This video is also super exciting because we are bringing something back. We are bringing the Love Kit back, and it will only be back for a limited time. If you guys didn't get the chance to try it back when we launched it for Valentine's Day, this is definitely your chance. Or if you did get to try it and you want to stock up on some more, this is going to be the last batch. After we sell out of this, we're not going to be selling it again this year. So in Love Kit, you get 3 of our magnetic lashes. In Love Kit comes the Baby Lash, the Sexy Lash, and the Wifey Lash. You also get a full-size liquid magnetic liner in black, and you get our applicator. If you guys would like to see me try on all 3 of the lashes in this kit, we do have a video and I will link that down below. But for today's video, I'm actually just gonna be choosing one lash, and that is the Wifey Lash. So I will be applying that sometime in the midst of this chaos that is going to be the 5-minute makeup challenge. Just to let you guys know, I do have everything laid out in front of me because if I had to dig through my drawers to find all this, there's no way I could do this in 5 minutes. So everything I need is laid out in front of me, and we are going to need some good luck because I don't know if I can do this. So as soon as I start the timer, there will be no more cuts in this video, and I'm just gonna let it roll, and we are going to be doing this 5-minute makeup challenge, and I am very nervous. All right, so I'm going to be setting a timer on my Apple Watch right now, and we are going to get started. Okay, starting the timer right now. Okay, clock is ticking. I am just gonna apply foundation literally all over my face just to even out my skin tone. I do not have a lot of time for this. And I'm gonna use this as concealer around my eyes because I also do not think I have time for concealer. All right. Just use a little more. Okay. Oh my God, 30 seconds flies. It's not blended. Wow, okay, this is like not a tutorial on how to treat your face when you are applying makeup. Okay. Next, taking some powder. Oh my God, I just spilled it everywhere. Okay. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. This is a lot of powder. That is probably way too much. Okay, yeah, it's definitely too much. That's fine. All right, everything's gonna be okay, right? Okay. And on my eyes, under, oh no, okay. As long as my eyes are set, that's all I really care about. Okay. Good. All right, now I'm gonna take a brown eyeshadow and just put that in my, oh wow, that's way darker than I expected. Just along my lash line, just to fill in any gaps, because I don't want there to be any gaps in my liner because we do not have a lot of time, and I tend to not get close enough to my actual lash line when I do eyeliner. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab a brush and blend that out a little bit. Okay, wow, we need to hurry up. We as in me, okay. How bad does that look? Yeah, okay, pretty bad. Okay, moving on. Onto the liner, shaking it up a little bit. I need a mirror. Okay, things are on the ground. I can't do this. Okay, applying the liner, trying to focus. Breathing, and we're breathing. Okay. Okay, one eye is down, other eye. Other eye, come on. I also want to leave enough time for this to dry enough because we do recommend 2 minutes to dry. Okay, I think that's good. Whew, moving on. Oh my god, 1 minute 56 seconds. Great, that's fine. We got this. So now applying a little bit of bronzer all around my face. And down my neck too, because I don't want it to not match. Am I spending too much time on this? Yeah, I think I am. Okay, now blush really quickly, and more things are on the floor. Blush, great. Do a little highlight, literally 2 seconds of highlight. Okay, I need eyebrows because I cannot live without them. Oh my god, 55 seconds. This is a joke. Okay, I don't know. I gotta pick up my lashes. The kit fell down on the ground. I'm scared. Okay, we can do this. Lashes are the quickest part. Here we go. MoxieLash. Let's hope we are dry enough. On. Other MoxieLash. And they're on, and it is 26 seconds, perfect amount of time for me to make sure they're actually on. And I forgot mascara. That's okay. Gonna do a little lip. Fix the blush a little. More bronzer. Okay, that's time. Oh my god, this is the fastest 5 minutes of my entire life. Okay, now I can look at myself. What do I look like? Not that bad. I don't have any mascara on. I wish I put some on. I just forgot. Because, I mean, I don't really need it. I've got lashes, but you can see the powder that I, like, threw all over my face. But tell me you've never seen someone do their entire face of makeup and eyelashes in under 5 minutes. Please tell me. Show me. Link it down below. I don't think it exists. Because this was, like, so fast. And the reason it is even possible is because it's so easy to apply our lashes, especially once you have the liner on. It's like, they're on. Boom, done. Like, there was zero effort after the liner was on. Just thrown on the rest of the face, and the lashes were like the fastest part. Lashes, fastest part, which is the best because usually they are the struggle. Well, for 5 minutes, I would say this is probably as good as it gets. Of course, I don't think there's many people out there just doing their makeup in 5 minutes. And I mean, maybe if you're just doing lashes, that's all you need. You can definitely do this in 5 minutes. It's gonna take you like 2 minutes. 2 minutes because you just have to wait for the liner to dry. But after that, the lashes just snap right on and you're done. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. It was definitely fun to make. I am sweating, not gonna lie. But if you did like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to get one of our love kits, please don't forget to, because like I said, we do have a limited stock and we will sell out. So make sure to grab one for yourself, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye.